Today we're exploring the Honor X6c, a budget-friendly smartphone that delivers impressive features at an affordable price. And let me clarify right away, this isn't sponsored, so you're getting my honest, unfiltered take. Packed with a smooth 120Hz display, a high-resolution 50-megapixel main camera, and decent performance from the MediaTek Helio G81 Ultra chipset. With 6GB of RAM, 256GB of storage, a long-lasting 5,300 mAh battery supporting 35 watts, fast charging, and a dedicated AI button, it's designed to keep up with daily demands. So, is this the best budget smartphone of 2025? We'll break down every aspect to find out. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest tech reviews and updates. First impressions matter, and the Honor X6c absolutely delivers with its sleek, modern aesthetic featuring flat-edge design. What truly sets this phone apart is its ruggedness. It comes with an IP64 rating, making it dust and splash resistant, along with the SGS 5-star drop resistance certification, ensuring it's one of the most durable smartphones in its price range, perfect for clumsy users or those with active lifestyles. Available in 3 color options, green, white, and black, I like the matte finish texture on this back panel. In hand, it feels solid and well-balanced, thanks to its ergonomic flat edges, making it comfortable for extended use. One of its new and cool features that I like is this physical side button that lets you quickly launch commands and infrequently used apps with a single press. This is also customizable, and for me, it works. Overall, Honor has nailed the design, durability, and extra features, making the X6c a standout in the budget-friendly segment. Now let's talk about something special. Today's sponsor, keysfan.com. Whether you're looking for Windows 11, Windows 10, or even older versions like Windows XP, they've got you covered. Need office software? They offer keys for Office 2019, 2021, and Office 365. And here's the best part. You can save big with exclusive discounts. Just use my code Joffrey50 at checkout to get 50% off all Windows versions, meaning you can grab Windows 11 Pro for less than $15. But that's not all. If you need Microsoft Office, use code Joffrey62 for a massive discount 62% off. The process is simple. Add your chosen product key to your cart, apply the coupon code, and pay securely via PayPal or credit card. That's all it takes and you're good to go. Moving on to the display. The Honor X6c features a 6.61-inch TFT LCD display with a 720 by 1604 HD Plus resolution, which, while modest by today's standards, is perfectly adequate for this price range, though you will notice the slightly thicker bottom bezel. What impresses most is Honor's optimization. The screen delivers vibrant colors and reaches an exceptional peak brightness of 1010 nits, making it easily viewable even in bright sunlight. The real game changer is the 120Hz refresh rate, a premium feature rarely seen in budget devices that makes scrolling, gaming, and general navigation remarkably smooth compared to standard 60Hz or even 90Hz displays. While the resolution isn't the sharpest, the combination of excellent brightness, color quality, and ultra-smooth refresh rate creates a viewing experience that far exceeds expectations for this price point. Powering the Honor X6c is MediaTek's Helio G81 Ultra, a 12nm processor that works alongside 6GB of physical RAM and an additional 6GB of virtual RAM expansion. The device comes with either 128GB or 256GB of internal storage, with Magic OS 9.0 based on Android 15, though it's worth noting this is strictly a 4G device. In daily use, this configuration delivers surprisingly smooth performance for general tasks. Social media scrolling, video streaming, and light multitasking all feel responsive. While it can handle casual gaming, I tested Asphalt Unite and found it playable, though with noticeable frame drops. The graphics performance clearly has its limits. This isn't a phone designed for hardcore gamers, but for its price point, the overall performance remains impressive. The Helio G81 Ultra strikes a good balance between efficiency and capability, making the X6c a competent daily driver for average users who prioritize reliability over high-end gaming performance. Turning to the camera capabilities, the Honor X6c features a modest imaging system centered around a 50-megapixel primary sensor supported by auxiliary lenses for image enhancement. In daylight conditions, this main shooter delivers decent performance. Colors appear natural and well-balanced, though image quality can be inconsistent. Some shots come out surprisingly sharp with good detail retention, while others exhibit slight softness or blurring, particularly noticeable when zooming in, where finer details tend to get lost. While it won't compete with flagship cameras, of course, the 50-megapixel sensor performs adequately for casual photography, capturing social media-worthy shots in optimal lighting. The 5-megapixel front-facing camera pleasantly surprises with its natural-looking results, preserving authentic skin tones without the heavy-handed processing common in many budget smartphones. Selfies retain crisp details while maintaining a balanced look, making it equally suitable for quick snaps and video calls. For video recording, both front and rear cameras support 1080p at 30 frames per second, though the absence of optical image stabilization becomes apparent in handheld footage, where some shakiness creeps in. The camera offers up to 2 times zoom with digital extension to 10 times. While the zoomed results won't win any awards, they remain perfectly serviceable for casual use considering the phone's price point. As you can see from this sample footage, the front camera performs respectably, delivering clear and usable video quality that exceeds what you might expect from a device in this class. The Honor X6c truly shines when it comes to battery performance, featuring a massive 5,300 mAh power cell that delivers exceptional endurance. During my testing, the device consistently powered through a full day of intensive use, including streaming, gaming, and photography, with power to spare. When it's time to recharge, the 35-watt fast charging capability proves remarkably efficient. In practical terms, a quick 10-minute charge delivers about 18% capacity, perfect for those emergency top-ups. For a complete recharge from empty, the system requires just under an hour. This combination of long-lasting endurance and rapid recharge capability makes the X6c particularly appealing for power users and travelers alike. Now, here is my final verdict. This device stands out as an excellent budget option that delivers where it matters most: a robust build quality, battery-smooth 120Hz display, reliable everyday performance, serviceable camera, and truly exceptional battery life. While it certainly makes some expected compromises to hit this price point, particularly in gaming performance and low-light photography, the overall package offers tremendous value. For shoppers in Dubai, the pricing is particularly attractive at just 359 dirhams for the 6GB RAM and 128GB storage model, and 419 dirhams for the 256GB variant. When you consider what you're getting for under 420 dirhams, the X6c punches well above its weight class. If you're looking for an affordable daily driver that won't let you down, I've included purchase links in the description below so you can check current availability and deals. That's it for today's review of the latest Honor X6c. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out!